Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Alright, so we'll see what are the universe messages for you and your person today. So what is there for my Sagittarius and their person? Okay, let's see what is there for my Sag and their person today. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, now let's see what is there for my Sagittarius, please. For love reading of Sagittarius, please. One more. Okay. So at the back of the deck, the energies between you and your person are the Empress and Six of Swords. Yeah. So what I'm getting over here is, somebody is really is like, when you love someone so much that you are even ready to leave for that person. Sometimes you are like, you care for a person so much that if if fate has decided that you both are not meant to be together, so sometimes it's like, okay, fine, I'm fine with it. Okay, no chaos needed. If you are happy with someone else, or if you are happy apart from me, if you're happy, if not being with me as well, so I don't have any problem with that. So you can just leave, or I will leave you, no matter, but because I love you, so that is why I'm leaving you. So this is that feeling which is coming to my mind today. You might be even you might be even having children, some of you. Okay, let's see. Okay, so on your part, your feelings for this person, the soulmate card, Two of Cups. So you are the one who is giving the, you're giving the, who is giving the 100% towards a relationship. You are like, you feel like that you are soulmates, you are meant for each other. You feel like, you feel incomplete without this person. If this person is there with you every time, it's like, I'm complete. I don't want anything else. I just want this person to be by my side always. That is how you feel for this person. This bonding is really magical. You feel magical with this person. You feel there's a spark between you both. How this person feel for you, Sagittarius, it's the Hanged Man. So this is a very confused feeling. Not confused, but still hanging. It's like, what shall I do? Sometimes, it's like, at one time this person will be, oh wow, I will just marry you, I will just be with you, I'll do whatever you want me to do. But sometimes, this person starts thinking about something, about the negative area, about the negative side as well. So their feelings are also hanging with them. So this is how they are feeling right now, but we will clarify what else do we have. King of Swords as the blockage over here in your connection. This is regarding someone being very practical right here. When one person is like, yeah, okay, so just hold on a second. Okay, so your feelings, your overall energy, I don't know what else came in my mind. It's like, there are two scenarios in your situation. You are ready to leave with the one whom you actually love. I don't know with whom it is for, but only for few. Living with one person, living with that person with whom you are have feelings, with whom you have likings, with whom there's a caring nature, there is where you see your growth basically. So moving with that person, moving in that direction, where you find your growth, where you find your peace, that is what I'm getting. I'm sorry, I just got distracted with your overall energy. So with the King of Swords as your blockage card, it's like um, somebody over here is really, playing games, I would say mind games. So that is why sometimes, harsh words, they also pinch you. When somebody is like, when they only say from their mind, when they only think from their mind, not from their heart, and they say something, so it feels really bad, it hurts. So this is something, some kind of a blockage between you both. Okay, so let's see why is the Two of Cups in your feelings for your person. Nine of Cups with the Knight of Cups. A lot of cups card, a lot of emotions. It's like your wish coming true. You feel content with this person. You feel like your wishes are going to come true with this person, because this person is actually with the Knight of Cups, they are really good at talking. They really know how to impress you. They are the lover boy, I would say, or lover girl. So they know how to keep you happy. They are the lovey-dovey ones. So these things actually excite you, and that is why you feel that I always wanted this kind of a person, and this person is actually here with me now. So that is why you are feeling content. You are feeling that this is your soulmate. That is why your feelings are really true. You have really emotional bonding with this person, with all the cups over here. Let's see why the Hangman is over there in their cards. Why the Hangman is there? Okay. Oh. So the Hanged Man with the Ace of Wands and Four of Swords. Okay, so your feelings, you are emotional with this person. You are like, I would do anything to be with this person, anything. Okay, but for them, it's like they want to start a new life with you. I told you, they are hanging between two things. It's like starting between, they want to start a new life, but it's all that what they want. The Ace of Wands tell us about that they want something, they think about it, but it has not come to an action yet. Okay, they have not put their thoughts into action yet. They are still waiting for that particular moment to put that thing into action. So that is why they are taking time. They are in a process where they are taking time. They are thinking about it and still thinking. But okay, so I think the feelings are really similar, but like where I'm seeing that you are more into them, they are still thinking. Okay, they are in the thinking mode. They are in okay, I have to see, I'm ready, but we'll see. Okay, so those kind of statements you might even hear from this person. Let's see with the King of Swords, what is there? Why the blockage is here with the King of Swords? Six of Swords with the Nine of Pentacles. Somebody over here is single, and one person over here might have kids. So the blockage is, the blockage can be a marriage over here. The blockage can be, the blockage can be running away because of money, because you don't have enough money to run right now, or I don't know, because the Six of Swords is over here. So it's like moving into some other place, moving from the city, moving from the country. It's moving away. That is the blockage, moving is the blockage right now, because you are not able to think, you are not able to decide. The decision making is a problem over here in your situation, Sagittarius. I'm saying, because you are ready, but I'm seeing that the person with whom you are dealing is like more of a hanging, still thinking about the situation, or might be planning as well. Okay, like might be planning really a very good plan for both of you, like how to be together. So that kind of a plan this person might be even planning. Why the Five of Cups is over here? So this card is for your actions which you are going to take. Five of Cups. Let's see why the Five of Cups is here. Three of Wands with the Six of Cups. Yeah. You're sad, but you know, with this, because after Five of Cup the Six of Cup has come, so I would say there's sadness yet, but still with the Six of Cups over here, it's more about, you know, you are actually seeing the good stuff as well, you know, your future as well, the good future you are seeing, and you are waiting for a good future to come towards you. This person, you know, you might be even waiting for this person to come to you and tell you how much they love you, or you are just waiting for them to take an action. Basically they say yes and you are like, okay, I'm just leaving this place for you. So this is why you are sad somewhere, but still there's hope, and there you are really happy that you, whenever this person says yes, I'm all with this person, I am 100% with this person. But there is little, you know, you are little sad as well somewhere, but not a lot, but a little. But you see your happiness more over here. But that's really good, Saj. That is really good. Four of Wands with this person. So their actions, Four of Wands. So I'm seeing that they are really coming up with the plan. So they were before, they were Four of Swords, where they were just thinking, and now they're celebrating. They are actually, you know, taking some step over here, might be. Let's see. Wow, Three of Cups, the Magician, and the Queen of Cups. So they are out of their shell and seeing, they are out, and they are really going to take some action. You are really going to have fun, and this person finally will take some action, and you know, you might even just be with each other, because that is what you are waiting for. You are waiting for this person to take an action. See, you are waiting for the Three of Wands, and this person Four of Wands. So they have taken that action, you know. After Three of Wands, Four of Wands come, and then you actually live a very happy life, because Four of Wands with the Three of Cups both are here. So it's like a marriage, a reunion, you know, meeting this person because of somebody's manifestation, somebody's, you know, true power, something, you know, some kind of faith in God. So that is why, you know, this connection is actually coming up. The High Priestess as the final outcome. This is really beautiful. So High Priestess is all about, you know, truth. When the truth is revealed, the game is over. Okay, so whatever the truth is, it needs to be revealed, and that is why, let's see what are the final outcome. Let's see. The Chariot. Wow. Okay, so what else do we have? Five of Cups. Okay, why this Five of Cups is here? Okay, I got it. So the High Priestess with the Chariot. So these both are the Cancer cards. So might be dealing with the Cancer over here. With this, it's like, you know, you are saying yes to a happy new life. Five of Cups also came, so I was a little worried why did this come, but with the Ace of Pentacles, it's like, you know, when you say goodbye to your old bad memories and say hello to your new memories or new upcoming life. So this is that final outcome, which really good, Sagittarius, really good reading this is for you today, because sometimes, you know, if you are ready to move on, then no one is there to who will actually, you know, stop you to move forward. Not even God can do this thing, because if you want, God will always help you. God will always be with you every time. Universe will help you to achieve this thing, but only if you want to achieve this thing. All right, so that is really good reading, Sag. I hope it helped you, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.